Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover VirtuSwap. This is a free claim airdrop token, so basically you are going to connect to a website and you are going to receive the free tokens from the protocol if you are eligible from their criteria. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about the project, and I will send you the official links and everything that you need to do in order to receive these free tokens. Like always, you need to do your own research, but I'm going to cover a little bit the project and tell you exactly what you need to do to get these free tokens. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey crypto fans, well, VirtuSwap says that they are the most efficient DEX governed by AI. VirtuSwap is an innovative DEX addressing a large and neglected market segment, trading in smaller cap assets outside the top 5. In many cases, there is no direct liquidity between such assets, and trades need to go through 3 assets like Rapid, Ethereum, USDC, etc. So this results in double trading fees, double gas fees, and double price impact. Those trades account for over 20% of the total DEX trading volume, and losses from indirect trading sum up to hundreds of millions of dollars. VirtuSwap innovative reserve-based virtual pools solve the problem, making any trade direct and saving all the redundant fees. In addition, VirtuSwap AI governance optimally distributes the liquidity between pools according to the current market conditions to reach best results for both traders and liquidity pools. So I think the idea is great. I think that are resolving a problem, which is trading smaller cap tokens, and actually they are applying AI to make it smooth and so you can get better results with less fees and a direct transaction. Here on the point 1, I put the Twitter account if you want to check it. They have 10,000 followers, so this is not a big amount, but you can see that they are here from March 2022. You also can go to the Medium page and you can see all the articles that they have been posting for more than 1 year with technical things. The testnet, they already did an incentivized testnet launch that I didn't cover. They did a first airdrop in September of 2022. You can see the Virtu tokenomics here, and you can see the first article was in June of 2022. So they have been working already from a while, and they are really soon to launch this protocol. In the point 2, you have the website, which is virtuswap.io, and you will find a lot of information. For example, how this protocol works in terms of governance, in terms of efficiency. And the tokenomics is actually really important. They have a 60% already for community and growth, 6% for development fund, and a 34% to advisors and investors. I think 34 for this is a lot, but you can see they have a 60% for community and growth, so you can expect more airdrops over time here. This is the second airdrop. And here you have some kind of roadmap on where we are. So we are expecting the mainnet launch on Polygon and zkAVM, which is the Polygon zkAVM network, in Q2 of 2023. So it should be really soon. If you want to participate in the Polygon and zkAVM airdrop, please check the video that is appearing here. That is an excellent video step by step on how to participate on the Polygon zkAVM airdrop. And you can see here that VirtuSwap is backed by the Polygon co-founder Sandeep, also Kanani. So if this information is true, and I think it's true because they put it directly here on the website, so that means this project is super legit. And you can see that the code was already audited by 4 major platforms. So that gives us also guarantee that we are not expecting any rug pull or anything like that. Of course, you always need to do your own research. But for the research that I did, I think this project is legit. So we can go, in my perspective, to claim these tokens easily. So some information about the VirtuSwap in Ethereum airdrop. The goal of the airdrop is to reward users who were trading and providing liquidity to the 99% assets, all assets outside the top major coins. Up to 10,000 tokens will be distributed to participants, and participants can receive up to 4,000 for qualified trades. the tokens can be claimed on Polygon network. So the eligible criteria is only trades and deposits that were made between May 1 of 2022 and May 1 of 2023. So only participants during this year are okay on this criteria. And pools that existed before May 1st of 2023 are eligible. The second point is that both on Polygon and Ethereum trades and LPs depositors are eligible. And third, that only indirect trades involving qualified tokens are eligible. To see what means qualified trades, you can see here this Excel file. You are going to be able to check that here in the website. There's a link to this Excel file. So here you can see all what is qualified as a trade and deposit. And the step 4 is the same regarding the liquidity pools. We are going to check now how to participate, and one important info here is that the airdrop will start on May 22 and will last for 14 days or until the cap has been reached. So we don't have too much time, so I would recommend you to just go to these steps and get your airdrop. Now that we have information, and I will put the link here guys so you can see everything. In this button where it says the list of all qualified trades and LP deposits is available here, you are going to be redirected to this Excel file where you can check exactly what pairs are they mentioning and assets and address. So now that we already covered the Twitter website, the tokenomics and the official information of the airdrop, which is 0.5, let's go and see exactly how you can get this airdrop. To do that, you need to go to this website airdrop.virtuswap.io. So once you go there, you are going to see this. And I know this looks a little fishy, but don't worry. I already claimed it from many of my wallets and there was no problem. Here you have some information, but basically you need to connect your wallet. The only wallet supported seems to be MetaMask, and you need to go and connect to your Polygon network. So you need to be sure that you are in Matic, in Polygon Matic mainnet. After you are there, you're going to see that you are connected with your wallet, and you need to click here on check eligibility. This is going to take you 1 second, and you can see that I am eligible in one criteria only. I am eligible doing 2 indirect trades on Ethereum, 0 in liquidity pools on Ethereum, 0 indirect trades on Polygon, and 0 LP deposits on Polygon. The total redundant cost paid was $17, so I am eligible for 80 tokens of this protocol, which is actually almost nothing. Doesn't have too much value. This address is only for the videos, so you can see you may have more tokens in many other of your addresses if you have been doing some of these kind of transactions. And here you can see exactly more information about the transactions that they found in Ethereum or in Polygon. So that looks good guys. This is how you claim your tokens. So after you do that, you just click on claim here the token. You need to wait the transaction and you need to confirm this. So I need to pay 2 cents on gas, waiting a little bit until the transaction is claimed. And you can see that I claim my 80 tokens here. I will add the token into my MetaMask so I can see my balance there. And that's it. Now you have your tokens in your Matic account. If you go to assets, you are going to see that you have your 80 tokens here. And here guys, I added the 0.6. This is a BRCWV token address. So that is the token address that I received. So in order to check that this is not a scam, I can go here to this website to go+labs.io. I will select here Polygon. I will put here the token address and I will click on check. And you can see the attention items or risk items. So these are some stuff that you need to consider. They have a warning on the mint function and some really serious owner can change balance risk item. And here you have also some information about the top holders of this token. But anyways guys, this is the way that you can claim your tokens. Maybe you get more tokens, maybe the value is not so attractive, but they are free and it's going to take you only 1 minute. Maybe in a bull run this could worth a little bit more if the protocol succeeds. and I think they are solving a real problem, so that is great for the protocol. And guys, remember that I have my subscriptions. If you are an airdrop hunter, you will like to know about this. I have a private Discord where we are talking about a lot of things about airdrops, airdrop strategies, how to farm with multiple wallets. We also are talking about BRC20 airdrops there. We are covering meme coins there. We are covering crypto portfolio strategies. So many things happening in my Discord. We have a specific channel for CK Sync, Layer 0, and the top 10 airdrops that we are doing right now there. And we have my application. My application is a game changer, guys. You can see these 2 videos on how my app works, but basically it's going to help you to apply easily to my airdrops. Also, you are going to be able to create your own airdrops from another sources, and you will have everything organized. Even if you are using 100 wallets, you can see on the videos that everything is going to be super clear for you. So guys, that is all for this video. Virtuswap, claim your free tokens, don't wait too much. And before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.